A few years ago, we introduced auto routing for recurring jobs, where you set the times to auto and we'll figure out the best route to do all your jobs. We wanted to bring this same functionality to all businesses. So today, we're introducing auto routing again. It's crazy simple to use and designed to let you easily improve the order of jobs for a single staff member on a single day. Let's check it out. From the staff schedule, click the staff member and select auto routing on the day you want to optimize. ServiceM8 will then calculate and show you the most efficient order to do the jobs. This works best with anytime job allocations, where you have the most flexibility around when you attend. If you have a mix of fixed time bookings and job allocations, it will keep the fixed bookings in place and only move the allocated jobs. Now, if you haven't switched to using job allocations, but your jobs are effectively anytime, you have options. You can choose to let ServiceM8 reorder your fixed bookings, or you can choose to convert your fixed bookings to anytime job allocations, making it really easy to get started auto routing your jobs. You can also set a staff home address. If you do, the route will start and end at their home, though you can still choose to have the route start and finish at your office instead. Once ServiceM8's calculated the route, you can click to compare between the optimized route and the original route. If you're happy with the optimized route, you can click apply and it will update your bookings. But what if you're managing your jobs on the go? Well, we're bringing this powerful feature to the iOS app too. Filter your jobs to today and then switch to the map and tap the auto routing button. In the app, your current whereabouts is the start location and the office is your finish point, unless you have a home address set. It calculates the route and shows you the savings. When you click apply, it updates your bookings. On the app, it will also ignore completed and unsuccessful jobs. So halfway through the day you can run it and it will give you the best route to attend to your remaining jobs. The more freedom auto routing has to move jobs around, the more efficiency benefits you're going to get. So if you're able to switch the way you schedule to primarily use allocation windows instead of fixed time, you'll bake in the flexibility you need to optimize your bookings as more come in. This means less driving, lower fuel costs, and more productivity. And speaking of job allocations and being on the road, we've also added support for job allocations to CarPlay, so when you're about to head off to your next job for the day, you can see your complete schedule of allocated and fixed time bookings right there on your car's display.